Gang! What's up, what's up? This is your Bon, your bonggang-bonggang Bon Bon! And we are now in Mount Arayat National Park. And we're going here for leisure. And ayan, mamamasya lang tayo for today's vlog. And I'm here with my two friends. Yeah, the best of the best. This is Jollibee. Emelo. And ayan, we are currently looking for our cottage. And look at the view. So serene the place. If kayo naghahanap kayo ng, you know, something na pag get away, gusto nyo ng peacefulness and everything, nature, puno, mga green, something like that. So dito na kayo pumunta, Mount Arayat National Park. Ayan, so C7 is our cottage. Actually, this is good kasi malapit siya sa CR and malapit siya sa 100 steps. Look at the 100 steps. Oh, di ba? Maakyat kami later doon. So ayan, that's the 100 steps. And here, meron tayong little pond. Look at the fishes. Oh, look at that, oh, ang laki-laki. Yun nga lang, may bote, no? Hindi siya malinis. My God. Ayan, so we're currently here and aakyatin namin tong 100 step papunta sa taas. Ayan. Look at that. So, mag-start na tayong mag-walk. Kapagod. Ay, nakakahingal po ang pag-aakyat dito. Ako po. Hello! Yes, mga friend! Nakakapagod! Ayan, so habang binabaybay natin ngayon ang 100 step ng Mount Arayat, bawal po ito sa may mga hika. Yes po. Hindi ko na kaya. Bella, ayoko na! Ayan again. So actually wala nang palang sense of fulfillment pag nakaakyat ka. Maraming basura, yes, pagdating mo sa taas. Although merong parang grotto doon. Hindi pala siya parang, kasi grotto talaga yon. Yeah, maliit lang. And eto kami, mga matatandang bumababa. Ayan. And next stop namin is dun sa pinaka-famous dito na midlife crisis. Biglang realization no? Yeah. Anyway, next stop is doon kami sa may falls. Pinakasikat to na falls dito sa mga bandang Arayat. Hello guys, we are now here in the very famous Mount Arayat waterfall. Ayan. So this is a natural waterfall na nanggaling pa sa taas, sa tuktok ng bundok. Paniwala kayo doon. Right? Although ngayon, yung pool area niya is medyo hindi maayos kung titingnan. Pakita mo. Kasi nagkakaroon tayo ngayon ng maintenance cleaning which is ginagawa siya. every 6 months, mga ganung bagay. So, it's good thing na mini-maintain nila kasi pagdating ng summer, lalo na darating yung summer this March, di ba? Na malinis na yung pool natin. But, although hindi kami pwedeng maligo ngayon dito dahil may lumot siya, ayan, nasaksihan naman natin. And 101, di ba? Ang ganda. Nakita naman natin yung waterfalls na San Fernando. San Fernando! Hi guys! Nandito pala kayo. So welcome to my garden. This is a 24 hectares garden here. Yan. So, currently, pinaayos ko na yung garden ko ng konti. Pinatrim ko tong mga to. And then, sadly, nung nagkabagyo nung last time, pinaputol ko tong part na to dito kasi nakakatakot eh, di ba? For people. So, ayun. That's it. That's my vlog.
Kaya halos lahat yung mga nasa ibang bansa.
Kung nalang naka-airpods daw sila, naka-airpods.
Right.
Tapos,
Dapat pala mag-ganun ka.
Ayan, these are the pro tips for effective vlogging. Yeah. Anyway, this is the end of our day tour here in Arayat National Park. And we're walking again because we're poor. We don't have any service.
It's healthy.
Yeah, and it's healthy actually. We are here now at Coffee Town in Arayat. This is a local coffee shop here. We're going to try their coffee. Actually, my friends here ordered. May ba't ganyan yung mo?
Wow! Kasi nga, diretso sa akin.
Anyway, they ordered this one. What's this?
Hibiscus.
Hibiscus. Medyo may kulay siya, unlike kay Starbucks na medyo, you know. And then this one is matcha tea latte. And mine is a Spanish latte because may lahi tayo. May lahi Spanish.